Let's take a look at number 23. Let me clean this off. Okay, 23. We got sine theta is equal to -1. It says find every theta that satisfies the equation. If we look on our unit circle, you have to think sine is your y. And we're wondering where sine is equal to -1. And this point right here is 0, -1. So theta is equal to 3 pi over 2. So that's what this angle is, 3 pi over 2. But if I've gone around right here, 3 pi over 2, if I go another 2 pi around the circle, I'm back to this same place. Or if I go back the other direction. So that means you can add or subtract 2 pi over and over. So we represent that by saying theta is equal to 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi n. And there's different ways you could write this, where n is an integer. So that means if I put n is equal 0 in here, 2 pi times 0 is 0, so that just gives us our original 3 pi over 2. If I put 1 in here, you'd have 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi, which gives us our 7 pi over 2. So that's a way to represent all the different answers. Now 25, we got sine theta is equal to cosine theta. And there's different ways you could work this one. You could just think it through. You're looking where sine is equal to cosine. And on a unit circle, we've got the point here, square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. So that right there, theta would equal to pi over 4. You also, over on this side, have this point, which is negative square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. Now let me think what this one is. Pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, pi over 5 pi over 4. So it's also 5 pi over 4. But remember what I said, we can add 2 pi and it goes all the way around unit circle and you're back at the same place. So we'll add 2 pi and I'll put it in, and 2 pi in, and n is an integer. Now other people have different ways of writing that. That's the way I like to write it as the answer. But I've seen different variations of this.